So today, I'll be cooking pancit. Pancit in 10 minutes, okay? So here are my ingredients. The pancit, I'm going to put chicken flake and zucchini, carrots, spring onions, red bell pepper, garlic, and of course the cabbage, pepper, and soy sauce. So I'm going to cook in my electric skillet, which is already preheated at 230 degrees. And today, I'm going to use, if you notice, my vegetables are not cut yet. Okay? It's not cut yet because I'm going to use my Saladmaster machine today. Okay, guys? Of course, I have the bihon is not soaked. It's not soaked in water, so I'm going to cook it with water. Okay? I'm going to cut it in front of you. Now, I'll start cooking. Okay. So, first, I'm going to wear my gloves. This is already preheated at 230 degrees. By the way, Saladmaster comes in many sizes. But since we are on our temporary home right now, I only have I like using this electric skillet for now. This is my all-time favorite and this is already 8 years old. Taran! Okay, so this is already preheated. You can find me or not yet, yeah. And then I'm going to put, of course, garlic. A lot of garlic because I like garlic. And since this is bihon, this is what you call bihon goreng or mi goreng. Yeah? I learned the mi goreng with my Malaysian friends. I'm going to put the bihon, not soaked. And if you notice, guys, I'm just dumping everything. Normally, guys, if we cook pancit, how long does it take for us to cook pancit? The normal way? Be honest. Okay, and then I'm going to put now my soy sauce with pepper. This one has pepper already. Pepper. And now I'm going to put now my vegetables using my Saladmaster machine. I'll just dump everything inside my electric skillet. Yeah. So first, I'm going to use number 4 or the cabbage. Yeah. You see, we normally cut the core, but in nutritionist said, anything that grows above the ground, the nutrients are just in the core. Okay, so I'm going to add Saladmaster machine yet at home? Who doesn't have Saladmaster machine yet in your kitchen? Once you have this in your kitchen is already complete. That's it. You don't need anything else, I think. You know, I love to cook. Thing that I really caught my eyes when they did the presentation to me 8 years ago is this Saladmaster machine. Okay? And then I'm going to add the carrots. Okay? I'm going to use size number 2 for the carrots. And as you notice, I don't have the carrots is not peeled, but I brush it. Again, nutritionist said everything that grows under the ground, the nutrients are in the skin. So if you're going to peel it, you're going to throw the skin, then there's no more nutrients left in your carrots, okay? So this is number 2. Want more carrots? I want to have a lot of I want to put a lot of vegetables. See, it's very easy. Normally, how long does it take for you to chop or to prepare the veggies? Again, guys, if you don't have yet the Saladmaster machine in your kitchen, don't hesitate to send me message privately or connect on our Facebook page, Saladmaster Saudi Arabia, and I'll help you to have one. Okay? And then, I'm going to put courgette or zucchini. I'm preparing it in front of you, everything in front of you to show you that it's very easy to cook pancit. With Saladmaster, everything is very easy. My friends are messaging me, aren't you tired? You're always cooking. You're always doing stuff. You came from work and you're preparing a lot of food. Normally, aren't you tired? So now guys, you know my secret. I have a helper. This Saladmaster machine, okay? It cuts my time in food preparation. Yeah. See, I want to put a lot of vegetables. See guys, I'm going to put red bell pepper. And the nutritionist said anything that grows under the ground, the skin, the nutrients are just in the skin. Okay, so I'm all going to put also this spring onions. I like this. Okay. Only Saladmaster retains the 93% of the nutrients in our food. Okay, so it's ready. I'm going to cover it. Make sure the sides are clear. Okay, so I'm going to time it for 10 minutes. So yeah, again, who wants to have this Saladmaster machine in your kitchen? You saw how I did it, right? It was so easy cutting all the vegetables in my pancit. Correct? Anybody who doesn't have one yet, don't hesitate to send me a message because we're giving it away for free. Okay? But just message me and I'll teach you how to get one. Okay, guys? So, 9 more minutes. 9 more minutes. So, it comes in 3 parts. Of course, the hopper. This is the hopper and it's very easy to clean. And it's removable. And it's portable as well. You can take it anywhere. And it has, this is the base. Who will think that this is 8-year-old? This is 8-year-old, guys. Together with this. This is 8 years old, okay? So again, it comes in 3 parts. The base, the hopper, and the cones. It has 5 cones. I'll clean up my mess first. It has 5 cones. Cone number 1, grater. Yeah, you can grate your cheese. It's very fine. Number 2, cone number 2 is for the julienne cut. For cone number 3 is the French fryer, if you want to cook French fries. Cone number 4 is slicer. And cone number 5 is the waffler. Yes, again, it has a corresponding number in each of the cones. And it is laser sharpened. From the time I bought this, yeah, I bought this. It wasn't free that time. But now we're giving it away for free. From the time I bought this 8 years ago and until now, I never had a prime sharp. Okay? So, and it's very easy to clean. I even cut the vegetables in front of you with the help of my Saladmaster machine. Yeah? So, you know, we should have, I believe, each kitchen should have one of this. Okay? And if you don't have one yet, just message me. Okay? My top say, keep calm and carry on. Carry on cooking. Okay? And keep calm. So, yeah. 1 minute more to go. Let's wait for 1 minute. Yeah, okay. It stopped. 10 minutes is over. I'm going to open now and I'm going to check my pancit. Taran! Look at the pancit. It's cooked. Wow! So that's the time we can, this is the only time that we can mix it, okay? Yeah. It cooked perfectly. Wow! It smells nice. Look at my pancit. Look. See? I didn't do pot watching or I didn't go and mix it. How many times? 100 times. Just like when we cook our ordinary pancit. Our traditional way of cooking pancit. Okay guys. My pancit is done. It's time for me to eat now. See you again later or see you again tomorrow with my new cooking dish.